A data source is not usually organized in the way you need it for your report. As you have seen, you can use the query editor to remove columns from the data source. The query editor also includes tools to create new columns, group data values, and calculate summary statistics. This capability is particularly useful for large datasets in which the analyst is interested in only overall measures and not individual values. I have another CSV file that contains daily orders of 1 year from the customer. Click Data tab, Get and Transform Data Group. Click from Text or CSV button. Import the file. Select this file. Click Import. Click this arrow button. Select based on entire dataset. Click Transform Data. I can add columns to a query to display other data. I want to know the monthly revenue totals, not the daily revenue totals, as is currently displayed in the preview grid. To do this, I will first create a new column named month to display the date of the first day in each month. Click Add Column tab. In from Date and Time group, click Date arrow button. On the menu, point on Month. Click Start of Month. The Start of Month column is added to the preview grid. Right-click Start of Month column heading. Click Rename. Type Monthly Sale. Press Enter key. The column is now named Monthly Sale. Now I group the values in a query. In a query, I can group the data by the values within one of the columns. When I create a grouping, the query editor adds a new column to summarize the numeric values within each group by calculating the sum, average, median, minimum or maximum of the data values. Count of rows within each group. Count of rows with distinct values within each group. I want to see the total revenue within each month. I will group the query by the values in the monthly sale column and create a new column containing the sum of the revenue values within each month. Click Transform tab. In Table Group, click Group By buttons. The Group By dialog box opens. In a new column name box, type monthly sale values. Then click the operation arrow button. Select the sum from the list. This operation will total the values for the column you select. Then click the column arrow button. Select the revenue from the list. To sum the values of this column within the monthly sale group, click OK. The values in the data query are grouped in a new column named monthly sale value. The query is now ready to be loaded into the new workbook. This query will return 2 columns and 12 rows of data. This amount of data is more manageable than the 1000 records stored in the data source. Click Home tab. In Close Group, click Close and Load arrow button. Click Close and Load to. Select New Worksheet or Existing Worksheet. Click OK. The 12 monthly sale values appear in an Excel table in the recent worksheet. Now I format this range with the currency number format. First select this range, click Home tab, click Number Format arrow button, click Currency. Reduce the decimal places up to 0. So I can use the query results to track the monthly sale value. For example, January 2010 sales brought in more than $2,590 and December 2010 had the largest sale total of the year at almost $27,409.